Man, we haven't made one of these in a while.
No, don't do that.
Yeah. Look, the girls are back there. We have a hearing test today. And we're back. Just kidding. We're just making a video. But the girls are back here. After our hearing, or after their hearing test, we'll show you guys how big they've gotten, because it's been a minute since we made a video. It's been since Christmas, or Christmas Eve, since we've made a video. So, it's long overdue. They're like 8 months old now. Almost 9 months old. Their birthday's coming up. My birthday's coming up. Mother's Day just passed. Yeah, that's life right now. Tay-Tay doesn't want to be on camera, but she's right here. She supports everything I'm saying right now, right?
Yeah. Don't.
Also forgot to mention, we got a van now. So now we have a van. Third row seat back there, which we can fold up if we need to. Oh no. Sorry, there's an ambulance passing us. Okay. Anyways, our van, it's really cool. I don't know what these are. Somebody put those in before us, but yeah, the girls are back there just relaxing. Look, Lily. And then Leia's right there. Leia. She's sad. She doesn't want to go bye-bye. But yeah, we got a van. So, all right. See you guys after the hearing test. Lily, you're at your hearing test. Leia fell asleep. Ooh. Are you excited to see if you can hear? Lily, say hi to the people. Say hi. Are you with Dada? Yeah. Yeah. She's reading.
I have a bunch of toys.
Okay, just got done with the hearing test. Leia fell back to sleep, but Lily's awake. And they did well. They have some fluid in their ears, so we have to go back in like 6 months to check on that. But, sorry, 6 weeks. Wow, why did I think 6 months? 6 weeks to check on that. But other than that, looks good. So now we're gonna head home. Snacks. Snacks. Is it snack time, Lily? Leia. Leia, is it snack time? Yeah. Yeah, snack time. Murphy wants snacks. Murphy wants a snack. Hi, Murph.
Is Murphy crazy?
Snack time. Leia, is it good? Is it good? Leia, is it good? Lily, do you like it? Do you like it, Lily? Do you like it? Mmm, yummy. Yummy snacks. Yummy snack time. She's got a bunch of boogers coming out of her nose. We gotta clean that up. Look at her though in her little walker. Feet on the ground. She can go backwards. That's about it. And Lily on her tippy toes. A little bit better than her tippy toes. Getting taller, buddy. They sure are getting big. They're getting big. Hi, Leia. Hi, Leia. Ooh, boogers, yeah. All right, let's wipe those off. Good job, Lily.
Yeah.
Good job, Lily. Yeah, you're doing it. Look at that. She's ready to crawl. She just has to do it. Good job, Lily. Yeah, Leia. Yeah, bud. Look like cool socks today. Yeah, come on. You can do it. Yeah, Leia, come on. Crawl, 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 crawl. Wow. They're really close. I don't know. They got excited. Look at Leia. She's just like getting up on her knees. Oh no, she's rolling. Lily, what is that
Are you
stance?
doing like a split?
Lily. Oh, look at that Spider-Man stance. That's a Spider-Man stance, Lily. Oh yeah.
Leia's going backwards.
Leia, you're going the wrong way. Leia.
Alright, if you fall, Leia.
She's off the mat. Her knees are off the mat.
Oh my god. Alright, now move.
This is crawling practice 101.
How about you go?
This is how they learn
Actually, let me change your knee.
a little crawling practice every day until we get it. And then you'll be crawling everywhere. And then we'll have to rearrange the house or something because they're going to get into all kinds of stuff. Like everything in there and over there. And Murphy will have to hide. Good job, Lily. Good job, Lily. Look, she's just like scooting herself to pull. She pulls herself with her arms better than using her knees.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Good job. Now one hand out, one knee in. You can do it. Come on, Lily. Back down. With that Spider-Man stance. One leg straight out.
I know.
And the other one ready to crawl. Look at this.
Trust me, once she puts it together,
Yeah, she's close.
yeah, she's gonna take off.
She's close. We're gonna have to just rearrange like soon. Like we'll have to clean up all of this stuff this year. So that when they do crawl,
Sissy,
We're
stop
already
doing
there.
that.
we gotta get wall plugs
Come
and
on.
everything.
Sit down. Whatever.
Leia's back. Leia's back. Hi, Leia. You gotta crawl? Crawl, crawl. This is what we do. We just watch them try and try and try, and then one day they're just gonna do it. Now they're trolling each other.
Hey, what are you two doing?
We're warming up their bottles. So they're gonna eat soon, and then they're gonna relax a little bit, and then we're probably gonna play again.
Come get mommy.
Cause it's just been a bad day. It's been a dad day today. Oh no.
I told her to come get me.
I know. Well, Leia's trolling her hard with her feet. She's like, I'm just gonna grab these, eat them. Oh no, she's gonna eat them. Whoa.
Great, you're gonna make your sissy cry here in a second. She's like,
You can't eat those.
She's like, why is my food taking? Oh.
Oh no, now they're both upset. All right. Lily, good morning, Lily. Good morning, Lily. How are you, buddy? Hi. Hi. You're watching cartoons? Mickey Mouse cartoons? And Leia is still sleeping. Oh, yeah. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. You got your foot? You got your foot?